Okay. Lucy's on her way down the stairs. See if Santa arrived.
Yes.
Yes? He came? Okay, stop, Lucy. Wait, Lucy. Now, over here, your stockings are filled. Yours and Arthur's, so Santa did come.
Arthur! Who are you? Does Arthur want a chocolate?
See on Arturi šokolaad.
No, that's the wrong one. You guys have to switch. This stocking over here has Lucy's name on it.
Yeah.
And that one has Arthur's.
Like this.
Oh.
What do you think, Arthur?
Ei herätti.
Is this exciting, Lucy? Let's go see if he ate the cookies and the milk and the... Let's go see.
Yes. Yes, Mom.
Oh yeah, just crumbs left. Okay.